Alright, going up on the roof today of the Jayco. This is our T24Z toy hauler, the Octane toy hauler by Jayco. And we love this camper, but it's spring and so we got to check the roof. I want to do a quick inspection. We're going to clean it, and then the next part we're going to caulk it. We're going to re-caulk it, and we'll show why and show the importance of that too. So let's take a look at the roof. You can see the dirt on here, especially on the front half, and I think it's two reasons here. One, all the water runs to the front, and then number two, we're going to look right up here. Yeah, part of this tree hangs right over the front of this camper where I have it parked, not on the back half there, and so it stays a lot cleaner back there. So let's get up here. We're going to clean these solar panels so they work better. All right, let's get cleaning. See all the dirt coming off there. Solar panels look a ton better. Dirt's coming down. Let's get the hose and we'll see how it goes here. Alright, looks a lot better. You can see the difference here. We haven't scrubbed yet. It needs recoated, so that'll be our next video, I'm sure. We'll recoat it, but something maybe of interest. You can see the rain gutters working there. Now they're supposed to be working. So the water heads right down the channel there. I thought that was good. Let's clean this up. All right, let's do a quick look here. Solar panels look a lot better. Air conditioning shroud a lot better. Got an overall whiter roof. There's some really dark spots up towards the front here. We cleaned off a lot of dirt, but it is time for a recoat for sure. I want to do that here sooner rather than later. Skylight and vents look a lot better. Did the whole front of the camper there too. But it's gonna be time for caulk. Please caulk. Especially around these joints where they put the solar panels in. Put the screw holes. Look at a little crack right there. We gotta get these redone. There's a little bit of look at that crack right there. I don't know if you can see that real good or not. A little bit of a crack. So we gotta re-caulk these, re-caulk around these vents. Alright, I'm sure you get the idea here. It takes a really, really small crack to let a little water in to ruin a camper. So you gotta look at this all the time. I'm at least once a season, probably twice a season, I get up here and check everything and look at it, make sure it's okay. Any little crack you gotta fix. I got one over here. I'll show you. I checked when I came up here and I actually fixed it. I actually fixed it before I even washed it because I didn't like that at all. See that? Right there. This it was split right along the seam there. So I caulked it. Look, here's like where one will be happening here soon. Right here. So you got to watch these. They'll open up on you, let a little bit of water in. A little water does a ton of damage to a camper roof. All right, next time we're going to caulk this thing up, and then we'll show you how we're going to coat this thing too, make it look all new again. This will never pass pink inspection. Never, never, never. It's the back of it, but it's not good enough for sure.